Supreme Court today dismissed a plea of the Delhi Commission for Women against release of juvenile convict of the Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case of 16 December 2012. Appealing against the High Court order, the DCW had contended that no assessment of the state of mind of the juvenile offender had been done before his release. The juvenile convict in the December 16 gang rape was released on Sunday evening. Freedom for the 20-year-old convict came as parents of the gang rape victim continued their protest for the second day yesterday, along with activists protesting against his release and demanding death for him. Reacting to the decision, Nirbhaya's mother has said that she will keep up the fight for justice. She appealed to Supreme Court to give the other 4 convicts the harshest punishment possible.
मैं ये नहीं कि मैं यहीं पे हार मान जाऊंगी, मैं उस कानून बदलवाने के लिए लड़ाई लड़ती रहूंगी जब तक वो बिल पास नहीं हो जाता। अभी तो एक छूटा है, अभी 4 मुजरिम जो है सुप्रीम कोर्ट में उनकी अपील है, जेल में बंद है। मैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट से यही रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि ये तो जुवेनाइल था, इसके लिए आपके कानून में कोई प्रावधान नहीं था, छोड़ दिए। लेकिन प्लीज अगर हमारी दुख और महिलाओं की सुरक्षा को आपको जरा भी चिंता है तो उनको जल्दी से सुप्रीम कोर्ट से फारिग कीजिए केस को और जल्दी से उनको फांसी पर लटकाइए और महिलाओं के सुरक्षा के प्रति और हमारी निर्भया को इंसाफ दीजिए।
A legal challenge by BJP leader Subramanian Swamy to stop the release of juvenile has failed. Let's listen into what lawyer from Swamy's team on juvenile has to say.
As far as juvenile is concerned, one is detention and the other is rehabilitation. As far as detention is concerned, the court is constrained because there is no clear legislative sanction. In the absence of that, the juvenile cannot be detained. Now, Rule 55 of the Act says that he can be rehabilitated. जो DCW के वकील थे, उन्होंने कहा कि कोर्ट कोई इंटरिम डायरेक्शन इशू करे, जिसमें कोर्ट ने बोला है कि जो हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है, जो पिटीशन डॉक्टर सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी की थी, उसमें everything is rightly mentioned and they cannot go beyond that. So the court is constrained in the absence of any clear legislative sanction to do the detention.